Hey guys, today's Mark's video. It's a bit early. I wanna make some sandwiches and scrambled eggs. Come on, let's do it. Oh no, gonna be hard every time. But our new refrigerator will come this afternoon. So, the main task is to move all these products to the new place. Oh, it finally comes! Our new refrigerator. Elegant, stylish, luxury. Wow, perfect! Okay, buddy, we have to say goodbye. Our food now has a new house, the 4-door refrigerator. There's everything from our old refrigerator. Something we just bought. Now, let's put some into the new one. This humidity zone can keep humidity around 90%. So, the food could be the same freshness after 7 days. I love it. This is dry zone, you know? If I put my cheese here, humidity around 45% can keep it very well. Wow, amazing! 4 boxes and 2 trays. Very easy to find everything. Big capacity, nice storage mode. My family like it. Okay, that's all for today. If you like my video about our new refrigerator, please leave us a message and follow us. Bye!